All right, language explorers. Let's look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So, natural. Natural. Something from the wild and not man-made. So, wild, like nature. Like nature, from forest. Yeah. And man-made is in like a factory. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. So, nature. And not from a factory, yeah. Nature. So it is a natural garden. Yeah, no herbicides, no pesticides here. It's all natural. We always eat natural food. Those are natural methods of cleaning things. Yeah. Did you see the natural anything? Did you see the natural forest? Did you see the natural honey that we bought? Yeah. I liked the natural ways of healing. Yeah. These natural methods are the best, some would say, maybe, are the best. These natural methods are the best. Why are you using natural ingredients in the recipe? Why are there only natural ingredients? Why can't you replace everything with a natural alternative? Natural ingredients, but why can't everything have a natural alternative instead? I don't know. How will they buy natural cosmetics? Do you even know how natural cosmetics are made? Do you even know how they are made? Because we don't think they are very natural. Yeah, we don't think they're very natural. No. Yeah. Natural. Very good. Yeah. It is a natural anything. Natural piece of wood. Yeah. It is not plastic or man-made in any way. No. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use natural in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.